And so we're ready for Morgan Lucas and David Baca, and we're ready for our Sounds of the Strip.
You're sick every day.
I told you guys that was a better lane.
Appreciate it.
Up, yeah.
I love you, Mama.
We got a pedal fest going, but Morgan Lucas, he takes the win over David Baca. Runs a 4.63 with a 6 at 220, but still, it's a win.
Well, take another look at Morgan. They dodge a bullet here. Look at that thing pick the front end up. It starts washing over. Possibly you saw a little bit tire spin, too much tire spin. And what happens there when it gets into that next zone, the shake zone, it has too much wheel speed and can't settle it down. I tell you, Morgan did a pretty good job of bringing that thing back under control after smoking the tires and just getting it to the finish line and getting the win. Take a look at David Baca's car. When he gets back on, look at that right tire. It just comes right off of the ground. He probably said, I don't think we're going to do this anymore. Now we're on board with Morgan. Let's take another look at this. You know, right there, smoking the tires, gets out. Watch the throttle. You see the cylinders going out and going on, going back in as it gets in and out of the throttle.